Have you ever wished you could just hand off your busy work like emails, meetings, calendars to an assistant, though, that actually understands you? Amplify lets you create your own personal AI assistant that actually understands you, no code required, that lives right inside the messenger apps that you're already using to help you get real work done. Okay, so we are at getamplify.team right now, and we're going to be showing you a little bit about what is going on with Amplify, this AI project, which I thoroughly enjoy. So everything's here, the pricing, the reviews, all the questions that you need answering. The social medias are all down the bottom of a really nice layout in terms of a web page. So it's all about having your own AI assistant in real life. That's really what it's about, just making your life far more efficient. So welcome to Amplify. We're going to go through and set up our assistant. It's really cool because you can actually go ahead and give it your name, like what we're going to give here. I'm going to call it Alex today. Alex, our executive assistant. Scroll down, continue to the next page, and scroll down. So again, it's giving you some options about the name you can pick, as well as creating your own name. Or you can just leave it blank and then they'll pick one for you. So nice that it gives you those options. So what's your role or profession? You can go in here and pick one. So I like it how it's just all easily categorized here. So it gives you all of the nice questions that you would expect to be asked. So we're going to pick business executive and we're going to be picking the messenger. So where do you want to talk to your assistant? Got different options: Telegram, Slack, Discord, WhatsApp, and Signal is going to be coming soon. It's not there just yet. We will pick Telegram, and you can go ahead then and pick the actual tone: direct, casual, friendly, or professional, as well as the modifiers where you can add up to 2, whether that's empathetic, concise, detailed, encouraging, or humorous. Aside from that, you'll be subscribing. So everything is from $9.99 per month. All skills, all channels, all integrations. So that covers your chats, images, and videos in terms of the wallet credits. If you've got an offer code, you can put it in there as well. So David is us, and Leo, again, is our teammate, and we are in the dashboard here. You've got channels, integrations, the library, the skills, the referral program, advanced settings, and support and FAQ. So we want to go ahead and connect our channel. So again, we chose Telegram, and you can go ahead right here in the dashboard and connect using the button on the right. All right, so we're going to go ahead and choose Telegram here. Connect our Telegram. It's going to be chatting with us in the DMs, and we can add it to groups and stuff as well. So the quick setup is recommended. One tap, no token to copy. It requires the latest version of Telegram Desktop, so make sure you've got that set up. And basically, we've got it in a split screen now. Botfather. Okay, so that's, again, our bot right here. So we can copy that code, essentially, and we can go for the manual setup. Find Botfather. Open Telegram and search for Botfather. It's the official bot for making bots, basically. So nice and simple there. Go ahead, hit continue. The bot token setup pair. Okay, we'll go for our Telegram ID here and just go ahead and hit start, and then we're going to be prompted in Telegram right here. So everything's here. Okay, so we've got to pop our Telegram ID then over in Amplify, and then that's essentially how you're going to connect it there. Now we're connected, as you can see. You can watch the 1-minute walkthrough too if you like. Go through and continue. Okay, send a test. Open your bot in Telegram. Let's have a look. Okay, let's hit start. And as we can see, we're getting that typing coming from Amplify, which is cool. Hi, David. I'm Leo, your AI assistant on Amplify. I can help you with a range of things, such as searching the web, managing files, working with Google Workspace, Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Docs, generating images and videos, etc. Really cool. Nice. So summarize this page for me. This is basically an article. Top headlines: Introducing Claude Sonnet 5, Redeploying Fable 5, Claude Science, the Making a Claude Code. Lots of interesting things here. So there's a lot of stuff that Leo, our bot, can actually do for us. Our AI assistant, I should say. Very nice. It's all connected. You've seen how helpful it is by being able to dissect that article for us in real time on Telegram. The setup is seamless. It just takes 2 seconds. So easy to do it. Got our service integration section here where you can actually connect it again with ChatGPT, Google Workspace, lots of things like Telegram Analytics, GitHub if you like too. So everything is here. Very good. Right. Everything here ready to go. Nice. Hit continue there. Make sure we trust that there. Google Workspace connected. Very good. Excellent. Let's go ahead and see what's next. What's on my calendar today? Let's have a look. It's really cool how you can ask it what's on your calendar. But that. And also it's, I like how it's prompting like the next thing. Okay, there's nothing here, but tell us if there's anything that you want to add, which is really cool. For example, create a 30-minute reminder before my weekly meeting, and bang, it's able to do that. creating that reminder. Absolutely fantastic. Really good. So again, you just got to make sure that Google Workspace has authority. It's actually authorized there. But so far, Leo, been really helpful. Very helpful indeed. Look at that. Check my Google Doc and turn my weekly team notes into professional meeting minutes. You can do stuff, for example, like analyze my monthly sales in my Google Sheets, January to May 2026. You got the months, the sales, the takeaways, total revenue, gives the trajectory. Really nice analysis there. Okay, so it does things like voice explain an email, get a ready to send draft. Have a look. Okay, so it's showing everything there. So turn this voice note into a professional email and send it to our email address. Have a look. Got the transcript? Let me craft this into a professional email and send it. Before I do, let's just have a quick check to make sure it's all good. Okay, so let's send that off. So the email was sent to our email there from your account, which was for a follow-up on today's meeting. So we can basically use this to create a bedtime story for a 6-year-old named Ethan about a brave fox exploring a magical forest. Cool. So that creates a little bedtime story. Ethan and the Fox of Shimmerway. Really good. So many things you can do. I love how it actually creates those pictures so seamlessly as well. And the pictures actually look like they're from a real children's book, like actual illustrations. Very good. And you guys let me know what you think in the comments. I think that's fantastic. All right, so within the use case library, again, we've got lots of different things involved. Log your meals. You can dump your voice notes. One brief in fall. Content plan. You can send references and get visual iterations back. You've got the voice recaps. Track who you're waiting for. Everything's here, right? You've got the different specialized sections for productivity, whether it's planning, family, health, fitness, media, communication, operations. It's all here and all very helpful in that use cases library. So it's really cool to actually have that. And you can check each one. You can put the filter on to see what you're actually getting. And if we go into the skills section here, again, we've got all the different ones too. Everything else that's available, the transcribe, the Notion, the scheduled tasks, the GOG. So that's really good to see as well. Again, with those service integrations, I definitely recommend connecting it to ChatGPT because a lot of people are going to have that too. And it's all got a really cool little referral program here. So basically, your friend gets a warm welcome plus $10, which is essentially 2 months of wallet credit, and you get a free month. A really good referral program. So make sure you get your referral link and send that out. So $9.99 platform fee, $3 deposit, and a 7.5% service fee. Everything's there. Everything's included, and it's pretty good. You know, it's real cost, full transparency. Can't really go wrong. Works perfectly from your smartphone, which I absolutely love, whether it's from the smartphone or the desktop. Really, really good little piece of software there. Very helpful. If you want an assistant that actually gets work done for you, visit getamplify.team, create your own AI assistant for free, and use the promo code LOVEAMPLI. All uppercase, no spaces, for 2 months of free access. If you enjoyed today's video, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and comment, and also hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. Hey, have a great day.